Now that the boxes and the manifolds are positioned, we're going to draw the under slab network. Let's start routing. This is where you define your under slab pipe set. In our example, we have 7 arrival points, 3 hot water and 4 cold waters. You can arrange your network using the up and down buttons. Validate once the pipe set is defined. Right-click to access the options. Here, select Pick Up on Manifold and then draft it, as you would a normal routing. Right-click and choose Stop and Continue without distorting. It allows the tubes to stay parallel. I only pick up on these 2 ducts. Right-click to validate the selection and continue routing up to the arrival point. Quit. The command is finished.